Greetings and welcome to All-in-One Perspective. How are your thoughts, connections today? Well, I'll tell you one thing. I like matcha. I got this one in Costco. I'm gonna try it out. Japanese green tea powder 100%. It's organic matcha and you can make it into different things like so. Add it to your lemonade, hot or cold drinks, smoothies, cupcakes, and food bowls and all that. Gives you natural boost energy and it's high on antioxidants like blueberries, you know? Oh yeah, today I just have like a green makeup look. I didn't put foundation, like a green powder glitter, and then on top is like a light green vintage and eyeliner and a little bit underneath the eye. And 3, 2. You know how I said it boosts your energy? Well, I don't know if it's because I currently brushed my teeth like a little bit earlier and I haven't eaten anything, and that's why I tasted like more fresh. The taste tastes like energy, grounded to like tea, to like nature, to like earth, and it's green. I like it a lot. And if you like matcha, I recommend you buy it. It lasts longer and you can make it yourself and you don't have to spend like $6 every morning on getting one. More quantity of it. White bags on the floor with tape. So I am going to pot here, you know, with dirt and I wanted to do it on the floor. Change of scenery. Alright guys, so I have 2 packages, 1 and 2, that I'm gonna open with you guys. These are the plants that I'm going to repot. I'm gonna hang 5 plants and then the rest I'm gonna pot them to a bigger potter. This one right here, it's gonna be a big tree. I forgot the name of it, but it's baby right now. I like to keep all my planters white, but I don't think I'm gonna repot this one just because I don't have one that is as tall as this one. We just potted it here and I don't want to mess with it. So welcome everybody, the new member of the family, Khaleesi. She's a strong character and this plant is gonna be big and strong. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys get inspired, and if you guys want me to do more plant videos, which there's going to be more coming up, let me know what type of plant videos do you want. Solution, how to get rid of pest, advice for repotting, what type of plants do I have, what plants do you recommend to have in the house, how to propagate, all that good stuff. I currently have propagated some plants and now in soil, and I have some recent ones that I just propagated and put them in water so they don't have roots yet. I will give you guys an update on that one too, just so that you guys can follow me along on the timeline. Yeah, I love plants and I'm looking forward to have a jungle in here. Want to learn more about the plants, the history and all that, let me know, comment down below. Support me by subscribing to my channel and hit that bell notifications so that you're able to tag along in more upcoming videos. Hello there. We're gonna start by unpackaging and celebrating with pizza. Okay. We're gonna get started with this box right here. This is my second time ordering what's inside of this box for my plants. Really like the quality. This is how it comes. This is just the box. So this is it right here. It comes with 10 planters. I thought it was 20, but no, it's 10. They're the white ones. what What I like about these planters is these planters actually come with water plates and with gloves. If you don't want to get down and dirty with the dirt or in the garden, gloves. And it comes with like for the dirt. And they're very like rubber steady. Very nice for like the outside garden and stuff. Comes with a little note. It comes with a warranty of 30 days for a free replacement of any broken parts, defective item. They have a guarantee because these are very good. Like they're steady, they're you see. They're plastic, but it's hard plastic. As you can see, it's hard to take off from there. So like it comes with this, right? In the bottom it has holes. So you can see, and then it has a plate for like the water. When you water your plant, the water will come down through here. Therefore, it prevents you from like wetting your workplace or your table, wherever your plant is sitting. I will have the link of this down in the description box, and if you guys wanna click it and buy some, go ahead. I really recommend them. It's really sturdy. It's plastic, but it's non-bendable. It's white, so it goes with my room, and it's really good quality, honestly. It was $18, not bad at all. Yeah. And so now I have 2 pairs of gloves. It's fine. It's fine. For my boo and I, or these type of planters, or my plants that are like sitting in shelves or my desk. These are 6 inches. This is the size that you want to move up to. From these 4 inches planters, you move up to a 6 inch. From a 6 inch, then it's an 8 inch, and it's a 10, and so on. Now let's unbox this one. Alright, so this one. So these are the planters, these are the hangers. It comes with 5. Again, this is 6 inch because I do want to move these to here. That's the inch that you want to move up to. Brazil. See? This one as well, it has like plate in the bottom connected to that, like the water plate, so the water can come out through here and it won't wet your floor. It does have holes, which is an important thing so that your plants are able to breathe the roots and the water in the soil. As you can see, those are the holes. And then it does have 3 holes right here for this, so it can hang like that. Clip it like so. If I wanted this to be more long, then I could just add some listón. It already has the holes, and then I would just hang it a little bit more longer. Alright, now let's get started with the potting. For soil, I use this one right here, and then I put this thing. Like I mix this one. This helps retain moisture to protect from overwatering or underwatering, which I was having a lot of trouble with my patos, that they kept dying and the root kept getting rot because I would overwater them. But it's like the beginning when you first become a mom and you don't know what the heck you're doing, but you learn as you go. Well, that's my experience. So these 2 I'm gonna plant on these planters. The rest I'm gonna do it on hanging planters. So as you guys can see, the roots are in the shape of the cup. What I like to do is gently, I like to pull the roots downward so that when they are in their new soil, they're able to spread the roots all over more comfortably, you know, their new soil and their new home. This IV can tolerate shade, but it prefers part sun. It also demands low maintenance. The roots, they going down. Well, that's how you put them, just going down. So what I like to do is I like to make a hole so the roots, which is in the middle, spread more. And then you just like fix it as you go. Make sure before watering that the top 2 inches of the soil is dry. It is also, however, my second time attempting to raise an IV. It looks so cute. you go. So you guys can see the root. Ooh, the roots are thick. This is a hybrid and it does well on low light. She is a low maintenance kind of gal and easy to take care of as long as you don't overwater it, which will cause root rot, and it is very sad to see your plant die. So just keep an eye when it comes to water. So this is how this one turned out. The marble pathos. Now it's time for these babies. Damn, this one needed a spread. Look at that. See how it forms the cup? That's why you need to get the roots and spread them down, so in the new soil they're able to spread wherever they like and explore their new home.
Massage, oh yeah.
This ivy has long, narrow leaves, giving it a spidery effect. It is one of my favorite ivy plants so far that I have. So you guys can see this one has a lot of root. Ivies, you could plant them in a little bit more bigger plant and it's fine, because ivies, they tend to grow. Hard for them not to grow. They spread fast as well. So I'm gonna hang this one up. Merlin Lux, and then its new environment, Merlin the Wizard. My favorite show, by the way. Target. Ooh. I don't have a name for her yet, but I'm gonna name her like something bright adventure. There's a root coming out. See the root? This baby needs to be planted. Check her out. So to take it off, you just kind of like squeeze this way like that. And as you can see her roots. She is a stunning fast grower. Philodendrons prefer medium to bright indirect sunlight, but they can live in low light conditions. However, their leaves are going to get much smaller and the vines will become more leggier. This is how this one came out. Lucinda. Oh, Lucinda. Maybe. Look at me, a hanging plant. And this plant is from Brazil. Look how gorgeous. Time! This is kind of quick. You want to do just a little bit of the retainer, and because this is what. Okay. Next one, make like a little oil in the middle. So this one's pathos. Alright, listen. So I know I said that it's good to spread the roots when repotting a plant, but this is not an accurate fact, especially when it comes to some roots that are very delicate. It is good to spread the roots if the roots are thick enough. For example, the asparagus and pathos, those roots are thick and you're able to spread them without giving them much of a harm. The thinner that the roots are, it's best to just repot it as is and don't mess with it. Like for example, ferns, prayer plants, because they do have very thin and delicate roots. The more you move them and spread them out, the more you stress and traumatize the plant. With my last plant here, the fern, I did not know this. So I did lose a lot of foliage, hair of my fern. It went through a major shock and it was not producing growth until recently. So these are the plants that I potted. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to find a place on the ceiling and set them and hang them in the ceiling. My boyfriend's gonna help me with that. It's gonna be a pretty fun video to watch. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy a day with me potting and the supplies that I use. Share this video with any of you plant lovers community. Comment down below which one was your favorite plant, or if you have any suggestion names for my plants. If you have any more suggestion videos, please comment down below. Love to hear from you guys, and remember to subscribe and hit that bell notification. Just do it, support my channel. And nature baby, just like my video if you love nature and you're a plant lover and you got inspired, you can't wait to have your own plants and be a plant parent. It's really cool. A tip here: plants love music, especially jazz or 42 hertz, around that type of music, the musical instruments. They love it, so put some music for them, talk to them, they're your babies. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Spread passion. Much love and peace.